Hello everyone and welcome to DayTrader S&P 500. Today is Tuesday, November 9, 2021. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report. I've been out of town lately, so I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the S&P tonight. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're looking at an hourly bar here. From the October 4th low, you can see a 1 up and a 2 down in parentheses. Wave 3 extends or subdivides into a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up here, a 4 down, and a 5 up there for wave 3. There's 4, and there is what appears to be 5. We'll get into more detail about that. We've been updating our customers with email alerts and newsletters, but I wanted to catch you guys up. Speaking of customers, I want to let you guys know about our subscription services there. We have annual subscription, monthly subscriptions, and video on demand. We also want to get to our disclaimer there. You can see our awards over the years in the disclaimer right there. And last but not least, we want to thank you guys for subscribing to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the reminder bell and the like button. I promise you it is down there. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so here is our bigger picture, if you will, from the October 4 low on the hourly. And you can see that doesn't look like it's complete, but we're going to get into more detail on that. That is where wave 5 equals wave 1. Wave 1 at 47.13. It went above it to 47.18 on the 5th of November. Let's dig a little deeper on this. We're going to look at things from this is an hourly chart now, from that November 1st low, October 27. There it is there. Okay, and you can see we've got a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down, and a 5 up, and this here from there. Okay, let me just go straight to the pick of that. I believe I have that, and that's the E-minis. There's that there. There it is from the 11-1 low. You can see a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down, and a 5 up. And there's that November 18 high of 47.18. And what we have here is a 335 correction, an ABC for A, an ABC up for B in parentheses, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which barely made a lower low. It could still go lower, but what's interesting is this correction appears to have bottomed right at the 382 retracement level at 46.71. So if we are in a bull market, we have 5 waves up, we have 3 waves down, we have a perfect 382 correction. So we have a make or break on the bullish count of the November 1st low of 45.95, because if this is the larger wave 1 up, these 5 waves, then 2 cannot retrace more than 100% of wave 1. So that's what we're looking at on an hourly bar from the November 1st low. I want to dig even a little deeper there. All right, here is that 47.18 high on November 5th. We're now looking at a 10-minute chart. You can see this broken down. We got an ABC for the larger wave A in parentheses down. We've got an ABC up for the larger wave B up in parentheses. And then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. And here what appears to be an ending diagonal triangle for 5, where 4 overlaps 1. Let me put that in for you guys so you can see that here. From the 4, we get a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, which isn't even lower than there, but I got it labeled wrong. My apologies here. 1, 2, 3, bear with me, 4 and 5 there. Get over there, 5. There we go. And then that'll be, excuse me, the C wave low, okay? And then we can look from a 1-minute chart moving up, if you will. And this is what makes us bullish against the 11-1, the November 1st low. From the low today, you can see we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. That's an A down, a B up, and a C down. Let me get that in here for you guys, okay? From that 3, we've got an A, B, C, if you will. Let's make that a smaller degree of trend. There we go, minuscule. Okay, let's move that 4 underneath. 4 stays above the wave 1 high, and then we get a correction down here, and you can see we're starting off again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me label that for you guys. That's what leans us toward the bullish count here. Okay, it's the price action from that low the other day. Let me get this degree in here. That'll be minuscule. Let me wipe. I was doing this to see where I'm going to trade tomorrow, looking for an entry point for our retracements of this 5-wave decline here. Okay, I'll put that back in, but I want to show you guys this first wave up from that low. Get a retracement here, and I think I may have already had that marked as a 50% retracement. There it is there. 50% retrace right there for the wave 2 at 46.77. So we got one up, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and then we get a second wave retracement down to the 50% retracement. From that, we've got 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. That 4 low is above the wave 1 high, even if the 1 and 4 don't match up. You can see there, I'll put the crosshairs on it, and you can see 4 is above, and then it shot up in wave 5. Okay, so from the low at was it 1358 today, 5 waves up, a correction to 50%, another 5 waves up. This appears to be building to the upside. Okay, all the way from the hourly chart to the 10-minute chart to the 1-minute chart. Okay, I want to show you guys something else that is worth noting, kind of a side note here. I was looking at the E-minis the other day, and there is the 11.5 high, and it put in a contracting triangle wave 4, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, and it looks like it has the potential to be a failed 5th wave. Now, the futures are diverging from the cash market, so we'll see how that plays out. In fact, let me see if I can get over to the E-mini futures there. Let me get rid of all these extra things if we can. Let's get over here and remove that and remove that. All that extra stuff. Yeah, there is that A, B, C, D, E. This is an hourly chart, and you can see we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a lower high. The cash market did not do this. The cash market did not put in 5 waves up with a lower high from a contracting triangle, if you will. So this is something to pay attention to. Okay, this is where the futures are diverging. We'll see how this works itself out. But I just wanted to alert you guys to that there. And I think I had that again on there on that pick there. Okay, we need to see a move above the all-time high to eliminate the failed 5th wave, and they're very rare. Again, like I don't like expanding flats as primary wave counts. I don't like failed 5th waves as expanding as primary counts. And just for explanation, a failed 5th is a 5th wave that falls below the 3rd wave high. So therefore the failed 5th. Okay, we'll see how that works out. Need to see a move below here for that failed 5th to come into play. But again, that's not the count in the S&P cash market. It's different in the cash. Okay, so here we are here with our near-term count. We've already established that 50%. Let me remove that and give you guys the retracement on the way up here. Fibonacci retracement of this 3rd wave. And we can see it right there. That's pretty close. We can look for 46.82, 46.81, and 46.80. Again, we're looking at a 1-minute chart. 3 gains equality at 46.89 right here, and a 1.618 at 46.97. All right, we expect this low to hold, and obviously this low here from the from today at 46.71, which was that perfect Fibonacci retracement of the previous rise up. Okay, so that's it right there of that rise there from 11.1. I'll show that for you guys here real quick one more time. Let's find that 11.1 low, which is there, November 1. That is definitely 5 waves up. And there might not be exactly, but it was right on the 46.71. Okay, ABC right there. So we'll see what the rest of the week brings. Should be exciting times. Until next time, take care, everyone.